you've created your analytics account and property, the next step is to create your data stream and start collecting business data. If you have a website, this means you'll want to create a web data stream. To tag your website, you'll first navigate to the Data Streams creation screen, choose Web, and then enter your website URL. This will generate a measurement ID and website tag specifically for your website. If you're using a website builder or a CMS system, you should copy the measurement ID and paste it into your website builder account. You can select your website builder to view instructions on how to add the measurement ID to your website. If you do not use a website builder, you'll need to install the Google tag on your website. There are two options to choose from. The first option is to use Google Tag Manager to install the tag. Google Tag Manager allows you to install code on your website pages and add to or change that code at any time using the account's interface instead of having to go back and edit the code itself. In addition, Tag Manager serves as a central place to manage and update all of your marketing and website tags. For this reason, we recommend using Google Tag Manager to install your analytics tag. If you are already using Google Tag Manager for your website, you can easily add the Google Analytics tag in your Tag Manager account. Note that you can also use Google Tag Manager with a CMS or a website builder. So instead of entering your measurement ID directly into the website builder integration for Google Analytics, you would create the Google Analytics tag in Google Tag Manager. The second option is to manually install the tag on each page of your site. When you choose this option, you'll see the new website tag listed in the UI. This tag will need to be installed on every page of your website immediately after the head tag. Once you install the analytics tag on your website, you'll start collecting many points of data automatically to the Google Analytics property. With a bit more implementation, you can even enhance your data collection with recommended and custom events, which we'll cover later.